Good morning to everybody. Yesterday we finished compound angles. Now today we will start multiples and submultiples in the same trigonometry. If you go through all the formula of multiples, submultiples, sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, tan 2 theta, sin 3 theta, cos 3 theta, tan 3 theta, all the formulae, then you can do this exercise very easily. Now we will start with the first exercise. Exercise 1. Basic questions. Sin theta plus sin 2 theta by. First question. Sin theta plus sin 2 theta by. Sin theta plus sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos theta plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos theta plus cos 2 theta equal to how much it is? Dash. Now sin theta plus sin 2 theta. Sin theta as it is I am writing, and sin 2 theta you can write as 2 sin theta cos theta by 1 plus cos theta as it is. Cos 2 theta we can write as 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. 1 gets cancelled, and from the numerator, from these two, I can take sin theta common. If I take sin theta common, left out is 1 plus cos theta. And from the denominator also I will take cos theta common. So left out is 1 plus, here 2 cos theta and here 2 cos theta. 1 plus 2 cos theta, 1 plus 2 cos theta gets cancelled. Left out is sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. So final result is tan theta. And your option is third option. Next, like this, if you know sin theta, cos 2 theta formula, this exercise will be over. 3 theta, 2 theta. And angles. Sin 15 degrees, cos 15, sin 18, sin 36, cos 18, cos 36, all the values you can do this very easily. See the next one. Cot theta equal to, giving cot theta equal to 2 tan 7 and half. 2 tan 7 and half by 1 minus tan square 7 and half. 1 minus tan square 7 and half. 1 minus tan square 7 and half. Then sin 3 theta equal to how much is? Then sin 3 theta equal to dash. Sin 3 theta means I can find theta and I substitute there I get sin 3 theta. So to find theta, this is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta is nothing but tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta, if you know the formula now, tan 2 theta, 2 into 7 and a half, 15 degrees. So cot theta equal to tan 15 I have. If I want this in terms of cot, I can write as tan 90 minus theta. So that is this equal to 90 minus 15, 75 degrees. So tan 15 is nothing but 90 minus 75 is nothing but cot 75. So what I want to say is giving theta equal to 75 degrees. Theta equal to 75 degrees. Now it is asking sin 3 theta means sin of 3 into 75. 3 into 75 is 225 degrees. 3 into 75 means is asking about sin 225. Sin 225 is 180 plus 45. Sin of 180 plus 45. Third quadrant sin negative. 180 plus theta third quadrant sin negative minus sin 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So the final result is minus 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by root 2. First option. It is first option from the given options. Next. Next one is cos square 3 pi by 5 plus cos square 4 pi by 5. Cos square 3 pi by 5 plus cos square 4 pi by 5. Now, what is 3 pi by 5? Pi by 5 is 180 by 5. You know that pi by 5 is 180 by 5 means 5 3 is 15, 5 6 are 30 means 36. So 3 into 36, cos of 3 into 36 is nothing but cos square of 108 degrees, cos square of 108 degrees plus cos square of 4 into 36, that is 144 degrees. 144 degrees. So 108 degrees I can write as cos square of 90 plus 18. 90 plus 18 is 108 plus cos square of 180 minus 36. 180 minus 36 is 144. So this is equal to cos 90 plus theta minus sin theta, but square is positive. So it becomes sin square 80 plus this is cos 180 minus theta, second quadrant cos 90, but square is there, minus becomes plus. So cos square 36. So finally I want sin 18 value whole square plus cos 36 value whole square. We know sin 18 value. What is the value of sin 18? What is the value of sin 18? We know. How much? Sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. This is. Now cos 36 root 5 plus 1 by 4 whole square. Now it's nothing but a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square is nothing but, otherwise we will expand, that will be easy for you. So finally this is 2a square plus 2b square. That is what I want to say is 2 into 5 10 plus 2 into 1 2. 2a square is root 5 square 5. This is root 1 square 1. So what I am writing is 2a square plus 2b square is 2 5 are 10, 2 1 are 2 by 4 square 16. So 12 by 16. So your answer is 4 4 ja 4 3 ja 3 by 4 is your final answer. 3 by 4 is your final answer. Fourth option. Fourth option. Next, if you know 18 and 36, sum will be over. Next. Fourth one. 1 minus tan square 45 minus theta by 1 plus tan square 45 minus theta. This no need to explain, self-explanatory. 1 minus tan square 45 minus theta by 1 plus tan square 45. 1 plus tan square 45 minus theta. This 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but cos 2 theta. So cos 2 theta means 2 into 45 minus theta. That is cos of 2 into 45, 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is 2 theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So your final answer is sin 2 theta. Your final answer is sin 2 theta. Next sum. Next sum is 4 cos cube 40 minus 3 sin 50. 4 cos cube 40 minus 3 sin 50 is 3 sin 50. This 50 degrees I can write as 90 minus 40. So it becomes 4 cos cube 40 minus 3 sin 50. 50 is 90 minus 40 I can write. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So this is 3 cos 40. Now this is sin cos 3 theta form only. 4 cos 2 theta minus 3 cos theta is nothing but cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta, 3 into 40, 120. 3 theta, 3 into 40, 120. Now cos 120 I can write as 180 minus 60. 60, you know this is minus 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, but 180 minus theta, second quadrant cos negative. So this is minus 1 by 2. So your answer is fourth option. Your answer is fourth option. Next is direct sum. 3 sin 20 minus 4 sin cube 20, sin 3 theta means sin 60, root 3 by 2, second option. And next one is x plus 1 by x equal to 2 cos 20. X plus 1 by x equal to x plus 1 by x equal to 2 cos 20. 2 cos 20 degrees. 2 cos 20 degrees. Then x cube plus 1 by x square is x cube is how much? X cube plus 1 by x cube equal to how much? Simply a cube plus b cube. So x cube plus 1 by x cube is like a cube plus b cube equal to, we know that a plus b whole cube means x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. 3ab into a plus b. Now we know all the values. X gets cancelled here. X plus 1 by x is 2 cos 20 whole cube means 8 cos cube 20. 8 cos cube 20 minus 3 into x get cancelled and this x plus 1 by x is 2 cos 20. So 3 into 2 cos 20. Now from the whole I can take 2 common. So if I take 2 common, what is left out? 4 cos cube 20 minus 3 cos 20. Now we know 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is nothing but cos 3 theta. Cos of 3 into 20, 60 degrees. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 gets cancelled. So your final result is 1. Your final result is 1. So your option is third option. Your option is third option. Like the same second next sum also. 2 cos theta equal to a plus 1 by a, then a square plus 1 by a square. So here a plus b whole square minus 2ab form. So directly you can do the same thing. Next, ninth one. X square plus 1 by 2x equal to cos theta. Then x power 6 plus 1 by 2x cube equal to. So x square is giving x square plus 1 by 2x equal to something cos theta is equal to cos theta. Same sum then. Then what is asking? X power 6 plus 1 by 2x cube. X power 6 plus 1 by 2x cube is asking. X power 6 plus 1 by 2x cube is asking. Now what I want to say is, if you split it to 2 parts, like I will bring 2 to this side, then split it into 2 parts. X square by x is x itself plus 1 by x equal to, if I bring 2 to this side, this becomes cos theta, 2 cos theta, first thing, 2 cos theta. Now I will use the same formula like a cube plus b cube, that is x cube plus 1 by x cube, a cube plus b cube equal to previously same sum, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. 3ab into a plus b and b. Not changing anything. Now here the LCM, if I take x cube, this side becomes x power 6 plus 1 by x cube equal to x plus 1 by x whole cube means 2 cos theta whole cube becomes 2 cube 8 cos cube theta, 8 cos cube theta minus 3 into 2 cos theta. Now if I take 2 common and bring on to this side, becomes x power 6 plus 1 by 2x cube equal to, left out here is 4 cos cube theta, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is cos 3 theta, cos 3 theta, cos 3 theta. So your final answer is simply cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta is nothing but fourth option. Is nothing but fourth option in that exercise. Okay. Next, tenth sum. Next sum, tenth sum. To observe all the sums in this exercise are only 3 theta, 2 theta only. Multiples of multiples are only those and half angles only. Till now we did not come across half angles. Next, sin 3 theta by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta. Sin 3 theta by 1 plus 2 cos 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta. 2 cos 2 theta. Now, sin 3 theta, how can I write? 3 sin theta minus 4 sin 2 theta. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin 2 theta by 1 plus 2 into cos 2 theta in terms of sin I will get because I have sin in numerator. So, to write that in terms of sin, if I write cos 2 theta as in terms of sin 1 minus 2 sin square theta, then expand the brackets. So if I take sin theta in numerator, left out is 3 minus 4 sin square theta. 3 minus 4 sin square theta by, if you observe, 1 plus 2 into 1, 2 plus minus 2 into 2, 4 sin square theta. Now 2 plus 1 is 3 only. So this I will write simply 3. 3 minus 4 sin square theta. Now 3 minus 4 sin square theta, 3 minus 4 sin square theta gets cancelled. So your final result is simply sin theta. Your final result is sin theta. Fourth option. Next, 11th one. Cos 3 theta by same sum, you can try. Cos 3 theta by 2 cos 2 theta minus 1 is convert cos in terms of cos itself. Cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Instead of 1 minus 2 sin square, in the next sum we write as 2 cos square theta minus 1, you will automatically get. Next, 12th one. 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta. Next one is 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta divided by 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta divided by 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta. 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta equal to dash. Equal to dash. 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta by 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta equal to dash. Very simple. 3 cos theta as is. Cos 3 theta formula you know, that is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta by 3 sin theta as is. Sin 3 theta formula 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So if I multiply with minus 3 sin theta minus of minus plus 4 sin cube theta. So what I want to say is 3 sin cancel, 3 cos cancel, becomes 4 cos cube theta by 4 sin cube theta. Now 4 you can cancel, cos cube by sin cube is cot cube theta. So your final result is cot cube theta. Cot cube theta. Third option in your options. Third option. Next one simple. X equal to root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Now coming to half angles. Now this side is half angle. Now next one is x equal to root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Then 2x by 1 minus x square equal to. So this will answer half angle concept simply. 1 minus cos theta you know. What is 1 minus cos theta? 2 sin square theta by 2. Half angle formula. And 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. Cos 2 theta is half angles. So 2 gets cancelled. Sin square by cos square is tan square. Root of tan square is tan theta. Modulus of tan theta actually. Now this is tan theta by 2x is equal. Now I need 2x by 1 minus x square is nothing but 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta is tan 2 theta. That is 2 into theta by 2. So theta. So your final result is tan theta plus or minus tan theta, third option. Plus or minus tan theta you can take third option. Why? Because plus or minus I told you this is root of means modulus of tan theta by 2. Plus tan theta by 2 or minus tan theta by 2. So your option should be plus or minus tan theta. Plus or minus tan theta. Next. Sin pi by 10 into sin 3 pi by 10. Last one is exercise. Sin pi by 10 into sin 3 pi by 10 you try as homework 18. Sin pi by 10 just 18 degrees. 3 pi by 10 means 18 into 3 72 degrees. So you can get as cos 18 values. So 72 means cos 18. So sin 18 cos 18 values substitution then simplify. One step simplify. Exercise is over. And after that we will discuss in the next class next exercise.